Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to send WhatsApp location. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, watch the video. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to WhatsApp. Next here, we open the chat room. Click here. And here we press plus. We can select camera, send photo, video, document, contact, and also press location. Here we have our location. We can select allow. Once, we can select say here. Then we wait for all of our locations to load here, all of the places that are nearby. And now we can send our location in WhatsApp to absolutely anyone. So we can click here, let's say here, share. Live location. So it will see the person live where you are going and will follow you if we send. This location will be sent. And you can choose the time. We want it to be 1 hour, 8 hours, or 15 minutes. You click settings. Add it, and then you send it. You can also send a location on your live stream. Just send it. Now the person goes to the location and they can see where you are. Also, if you want to send a location through Google Maps, you go, let's say you put your dot somewhere here. You swipe to the side here. You click share. Then you select WhatsApp here. You find it. You click here. You select WhatsApp and you click send. Then the person will receive your dot with your geolocation in WhatsApp. If you liked and helped by this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you all very much who watched this video to the end. See you again. Goodbye.